Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to register for Bank of Scotland online banking. So this is super handy because once you've set it up, you can manage your money, pay bills and check your balance all from your computer or your phone. So first, simply head over to the official Bank of Scotland website. Then simply make sure it's the real one because there are some phishing sites out there. So once you've confirmed that it's real, by simply checking the URL, you can then look for the register or sign up for online banking button. It's usually going to be in the top right of the homepage. Next, you're going to need to provide some personal information like your name, date of birth, address, and your bank account number. They might also ask you for your sort code, so just make sure to have that handy. And after that, you then have to set up your online login details. So this includes your username and a password. And sometimes you also be required to create security questions or use two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. And once you've entered all the information, Bank of Scotland will usually send you a verification code by text or even email. So simply enter that code to confirm your identity, and that's basically it. So once you're verified, you can then log in, check your accounts, transfer money, and manage your finances online. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.